Hi, my name is Vivek and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the 11th episode to create a WordPress website using our own custom theme. In the previous episode, we worked on footer using widgets and iframe. Today, we'll be working on about page. So last time we have already added content for this about page, so today we don't have much work to do. All we have to do is to add div with a class called container so that all of this content comes at the center, and then we have to left align this title. Now open content.php under this template parts folder, and remember, whatever changes you apply to this content.php, it should apply to all other pages. For example, if you add container div in this content.php, it will apply to services, blog, contact page, and so on, unless and until you create a new template for a new page. For now, let's create container div. If you refresh the page, all the content are coming at the center now. Also, if you check other pages, then you can see all the content are coming at the center. Now let's work on this title. It is coming from this entry header.php file, so open it, and then you can see there is a class called #align_center. So if you just remove this class name, the title should automatically come at left side. Great, it is looking exactly the same as in design now. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll work on services page. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to get more tutorials in the future. Thank you.